YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon, and like all the videos that you enjoy. There's a dog scratching on my carpet. I have a different kind of unboxing for you today. This is an unboxing of a subscription box, a stationery subscription box called Confetti Collection, and I'm very excited about this. I started watching subscription box unboxings on YouTube recently, kind of got addicted to it, and I tried to find a couple of boxes that I thought I would really enjoy and that would be worth the value for me. And a lot of you enjoy the same things that I do. You know, I talk about planners sometimes and organization, and that's something a lot of you are into too. So I thought that you would also enjoy this box. I already know what's in here, assuming this is the October box, because I saw it unboxed on one of the videos I was watching, and that's why I ordered this. I wanted to point out that this company is the winner of the US Subscription Box Awards for 2019, which I thought was kind of impressive. Usually I don't care about those awards, but when it comes to subscription boxes, there are so many out there. And I feel like most of the ones that I watch the unboxings for, they're mostly things I'm just not interested in. So ultimately, it's not a good value, because when I think of subscription boxes, because it's tempting to order something and get this surprise box of goodies in the mail, right? It sounds really fun. But I try to be more practical about it and think, okay, I'm sending you my money. What am I getting in return? Let's say that we're out shopping, wherever you like to shop, and you saw each of these items in the store. Are they things that you would actually buy? That's how I try to think about subscription boxes in order to get the best value for my money. And I found, when I saw the unboxing, and I'll link those people's unboxings below, I was so impressed with this box and the value of this box that I had to order it. And I'm looking forward to future boxes. This box was only $20, and I think with shipping it came out to $25. This box ships every 2 months, not monthly. One of the things I was a little worried about with I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this open so I'm not talking for 20 minutes before we get to the box. One of the reasons that I was a little hesitant about a stationery subscription box is that I don't need a ton of stationery every month. Like as a teacher, and by the way, this would make a fantastic teacher gift. I mean, if you have like 8 teachers to buy for, then it would get expensive, but if you have 1 or just a couple, teachers love stationery. Telling you as a teacher, this is something that we would actually appreciate and enjoy, and instead of all of the mugs that we get at Christmas, we have too many mugs. We need more stationery. Okay, let's get into this. This is the October 2019 box, I believe. Nice packaging is appreciated. I hope this is the October 19 box. So far the colors are not the same as I remember. Oh no, it definitely is not the same. Well, we'll see what I got then. Pink really isn't my color, but let's see. Right now I'm a little disappointed, but I'm gonna give it a chance. I ordered this, by the way, at the very end of October. So maybe they were out of the October boxes. Maybe this is an older box that was left over. I'm not sure how it works. I don't remember seeing an unboxing of this though, so maybe this is the latest box. I have no idea. So it says surprise treasure hunt box. Who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? I feel like this was in the October box. We've curated some of our favorite treasures just for you, so start hunting through this box to see what they are. We'd love to see your unboxing videos and photos. Use the hashtag Confetti Collection Box when you post them. And they are on Instagram at Confetti Collection Box. There is their information. So now I want to go on Instagram, see what the people's photos are. Oh, everything is wrapped up in a big plastic. It's all wrapped together. So let me pull that out. Okay, I pulled out the package and the tissue paper, and I just want to show you that all of this is still left in the box, which, I mean, it looks like it can be recycled, but that's a lot of waste there. I guess you could save it for an Easter basket or for packaging or something else too. So this is what the package looks like with everything. Now some of this looks a little familiar maybe, but no, this isn't the box that I thought I ordered. It is still a fantastic value, and this is what happens with subscription boxes. You don't know what you're gonna get. The one I thought I ordered, I'll link in the video below. It was more of a green theme, which is why I wore green for the video. It's gonna be all matchy. It does look like it has some cool stuff in it though. A little more packaging than I would like, but it did arrive here looking beautiful. I'll just start pulling things out. First thing, I was looking forward to getting something like this And even though it's not the green one that I was looking forward to, it is still very pretty. It is a notepad with memo paper. So you pull that out. It's 200 sheets of memo paper, and there's what the notepad paper looks like. I will say the paper feels very thin. I mean, notepad paper, I guess, doesn't really matter if it's thin or not. That quality is not super impressive to me. One of the things I was thinking when I ordered this box was that, wow, even if I went to TJ Maxx, where you can get things like this pretty cheap, and I bought all of those things, it would be more than $20 or $25. So I thought that sounded like a great value. And just about everything in the box, I thought I could use for something, whether it's personal, YouTube, teaching at work. We sometimes have parties with the students at work. I'll show you some things that could be used for that, gift wrapping. So yes, it does seem like a really good value. And I think looking at this stuff, it still is. So a little notepad in the pretty little box, and it's a magnetic box. So that's nice. Next, we have some wrapping supplies. Apparently this company always puts some gift wrapping supplies in the boxes. I have a stash of that stuff, so it's always nice to have it and add a little more. This is a ribbon you would stick on top of a box or a bag, whatever, and then a little spool of that ribbon like is used on balloons. Nice soft pink color. And everything in the box here is this soft pink color, except for this little ceramic dish that says everything in its place. And then it has gold on the back, which is very pretty. And I've actually needed a little dish right about this size. Now, if I was picking out one myself, this is not what I would get, just because the color scheme doesn't go with what I wanted. I wanted a white one for the place where I need a dish like this. But it's still nice, and I thought if there's something in the basket that I wouldn't want, that I could gift it, you know, save it and have little gifts. Stocking stuffers, we've got Christmas coming up. There are all kinds of occasions to gift things like this that are still nice, but just don't work for you. Next up is a bottle opener. This is interesting. I've never seen one that looks quite like this. I don't know if I want to take this off of here because I don't think this is something I would use. I don't drink beer, so I don't open bottles. I have no need for a bottle opener like that, and I very rarely have a different need for a bottle opener. Most people that have these drink beer, right? It's also really not my style. The pink and the rose gold is just not my color. There are a lot of people who would like this, so that's something else that I could re-gift. Some party napkins. Now, I never use these, but it is something that I could use with students at school. This could be great for a Valentine's party, so I could save those for that. And some more gift wrapping. This I can definitely use. It's a wine bottle bag. I'm always giving people bottles of wine as gifts, and that is very cute with a flamingo. It'd be a great summer gift. And then the two other items in here I love, although I don't know how much I would use them. The first is this sleeping mask, and it's super cute. It says, "Wake me up when the booze cart comes around," which is totally me, except that I don't wear these masks, and I don't sleep on planes, if that's what it's referring to. But the saying is totally me, other than the napping part. Very cute. Not sure what I'll do with that. And then the last item is some very pretty file folders. There are the three you can see there, and you can see this one on the back. Oh, there are actually 9 in here. I think I've seen other people say that, thinking there's 3 and there are actually 9. So there is this pink striped one that says files. This with the macaw, that's beautiful, it says notes. And the macaw continues to the other side of the folder. That's lovely. And the last design is these toucans that say lists. They're very pretty, and I know decorative file folders like this are kind of expensive, even at places like TJ Maxx. So I do feel like this is more than the $20 or $25 value. However, would I go and buy these things if I was out shopping? The answer is no. I really just don't use file folders. They do come with labels, so that's nice. Maybe I can gift these to someone. They could be good. Like I said, they are good for teachers, just not for this teacher necessarily. But maybe it's something that I could re-gift in our Secret Santa at work, perhaps, depending on who I get. Overall, I am disappointed with this box, but a lot of that does have to do with expecting a totally different box from the one I got. I was really excited to get that one. I was sure that that would be it. I'm not sure where these items came from because they seem very summery, so it's weird that I would be getting that in October So I'm guessing they sold out of the October box and then just sent me something that was left over from the summer. Would I buy this box again? Yes, I would, because of the other unboxings that I've seen from this Confetti collection company. It does really seem to be worth it in terms of value. And again, most of this stuff I can use for different things. I think all of the items, I wanted to point this out because I was doing a little research before I ordered it. On the label there where it says CR Gibson, if you go to crgibson.com, you'll be able to find just about all of this there. That seems to be the parent company that ships out these subscription boxes, and they just pick from their inventory. Some of it is current inventory and some of it is items that are on sale. But if you did want any of these items, you can probably go to that website and just pick up exactly what you want and nothing more. But it is going to be more expensive, especially if you're getting several items from a box, than the $20 or $25 it would cost to get the box. Does that make sense? So I am looking forward to a future box from them. Very curious to see what I'll get next time. Let me know what you think of videos like this on my channel. It's a new thing that I was interested in. Thought you guys, some of you at least, might be interested in it too. So just let me know in the description box, not in the description box, let me know in the comments section what you think and if you'd like to see more things like this. And if there are other subscription boxes you'd like me to try, or something else you'd like to see on my channel. Thanks so much for watching and have a fantastic day. Bye.